I got a package in the mail. The nice people from OOZi Cycling sent me these gloves to review. So let's do it, shall we? So I really didn't want to like these gloves, but less is more. Let me explain. I wanted to do a side-by-side comparison of the OOZi gloves compared to my traditional glove. So yesterday I rode on my trainer, I got good and sweaty, and I wanted to see how these gloves would react. You can see how thick the padding is and how the glove bunches up in the middle. Even if I tighten it, it still bunches up. So you see in your traditional glove, you have a lot of padding on the inside. That should make it more comfortable. However, I found that after riding a while, the middle of the glove bunched up right here, making it a little more uncomfortable. The new OOZi glove has a minimal amount of padding, not too much and not too little, but it has enough so that it makes your ride comfortable. So I kind of like these gloves. They fit very nicely. They're very form-fitting when you put them on, and they look to be like good quality. You'll notice they have the traditional type of a Velcro strap to keep them in place. And after I took my ride, I let these both dry out because I did work up a sweat, you know. The new glove dried out twice as fast as the old glove, which, case in point, the new glove weighs about 1 ounce. The old glove weighs about 2 ounces, so it's thicker. It's got more of a mesh to it. I did find too that when I was riding and I took my hands off the handlebars and I kind of waved them back and forth behind me, I could feel a little breeze here, whereas I couldn't here, meaning that the airflow is a little better on the OOZi gloves. So they sent me 2 pair, and I had Jan try a pair out. Jan, what do you think?
I like them. When I first put them on, I noticed that there was a lot of stretch through my knuckles. My other gloves, I have 2 sets, and they're very tight through that area. I also like the fact that they're at least 1 inch longer here, and I can put the Velcro across them. My others, I just tuck it up here. So I like them, they fit me well. There's a terry cloth area here, so that if you get some sweat coming down that you need to capture right away, it'll absorb it. And I'm always doing that on my old gloves, but I always use the back, you know, or from my forehead. But these have a little area here. That's about all I can say about them. They feel comfortable, they're easy to get off.
So really, Jan, tell me, what is your opinion of these gloves?
They're good. I like them.
And one more subtle feature of these gloves, there's a terry cloth strip that's built into the glove to wipe the sweat away. It's very effective. It's very subtle. One more feature I wasn't expecting. So yes, less is more. I like these gloves. So what's my conclusion about these cycling gloves? Like I told you in the beginning, I really didn't want to like these gloves, but after riding with them, I think for a little over 20 bucks, they're a pretty good deal. In fact, I'm going to give them the ultimate test starting Thursday. I'm going to ride from Thursday through Sunday, about 176 miles on a fully loaded bike to complete my journey of the East Coast of the USA. So let's see how these gloves do. Let's see how I do. And I'll have videos of that excursion coming up in the next few weeks. So if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so that you'll know when my next video comes up. So I like the gloves, Jan likes the gloves. What more can I tell you? I'm going to leave a link in the description below if you want to look into these a little more. You can get them on Amazon. And there's a promo code also that gives you a 5% discount for the next 30 days. So it's up to you. What do you think? Thanks again, and that's it for today.